And y'all, this hair is so easy to work with.
It's easy.
Easy style. Super, super easy.
Soft.
Very soft.
It's super soft. It's very lightweight.
Ridiculously light.
Versatile.
This hair is very versatile, and I like that.
This is Nature's Touch 2X Type 4 Twist. It's very soft and bouncy together.
It's already in pieces, which makes this so much easier. I absolutely love when companies do this.
It would be a very easy style. I think doing it with this Nature's Touch hair from Shake and Go would be perfect.
I love how soft and fluffy this hair is. And it's looking natural, which is what I really love about this hair, making it look as if it's my own natural hair. Also, one of the things I love about this hair is the fact that you can do different kinds of style. So it's up to you whichever style that you want to do with this hair. And here is the finished look.
It's that perfect hair to keep around the house if you have Tech 4 hair. I love this hair, super lightweight. And as you can see, the style didn't put much tension on my hair.